You know, I don't remember the last time I saw the sky at dusk like this.
Really? Yeah, it's been a long time too. It's living in town.
Yeah. Oh, that is really pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Shit.
Yeah, that's one thing that's nice about living in the country.
Yeah, aren't you glad I brought you?
Yeah.
No, seriously, you enjoying this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right.
Except for thinking
not-
about getting struck by lightning.
Well, yeah.
Now it looks like this is all filled in over here.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's what's so interesting about that. You see so much of the sky around it.
Yeah.
But that's typical of them, right?
Yeah, no, not really. Usually they're hidden. It's just on these types of storms. Can you see them?
Oh.
You know what's kind of worrying me about that? I don't know if you can see this or not. You see that clear area right there?
On the right side or the left?
Well, on the right side, yeah, that little clear area. You can see the rain or hail falling there.
Yeah.
You see how it curves
Yeah.
south like that? That means that sucker's got strong winds in it.
Oh, good.
I don't think that's gonna hit us though, but
You think it's going more southeast than...
it looked like it was gonna graze us, and I don't see it getting any bigger. Damn, that one was about on top of us.
Wow. Yeah, the lightning's more prominent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just staying at 80.
Yeah. I feel the humidity going up.
Now, do you find that getting any bigger?
What?
That slanted down part of the cloud there?
No. Well, it's moving closer to us, but
That area on the right's getting less prominent.
yeah.
Maybe because the light's diminishing.